How are you doing today? How is trading going? Hope you're cashing out from the market. Hope it's been profitable. Good morning. I welcome you to today's live session. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. If you have any question, any pair you want me to analyze, please drop it in the comment section. If there's any pair you want us to look at together, drop it in the comment section. You are welcome. You are welcome. You're welcome. If this is your first time participating in the live stream, you are greatly welcome. You're greatly welcome. If you have any question, any pair you want us to analyze together, please drop it in the comment section. I'm trying to check the calendar for fundamentals. I think there are no major news for the dollar today. I think I'm correct. Have you checked the calendar today? Have you checked the calendar? There are no major news for the dollar today, okay? So let's get started. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, I want to see your comments. If you can hear me, good morning, Mr. Godswill. Good morning, Mr. Eze. Good morning, Mr. Bolaji. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, let's get started. So let's start with gold. Okay, my bias on gold is bullish. My bias on gold is bullish. Okay, my bias on gold is bullish, but I want to see gold pull back. Okay, let me delete all my. Let's start with the weekly time frame. Sorry, daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, yesterday candle closed bearish. Okay, after testing several support level, you can see this is a support level. Price is currently sitting at a support zone right now. Okay, you can see price is currently sitting on a support zone, and also it's also tested this zone. You can see that we had a support zone here. Price also tested that area yesterday, as you can see, and there was a strong rejection from that zone. Can you see that? There was a strong rejection from that zone. Now, after the close of yesterday candle, let's see the pattern that formed on 4-hour time frame. If the pattern that formed on 4-hour time frame is a bullish reversal pattern, then we should be considering going bullish on gold today. If the candle that formed on gold on 4-hour time frame after the close of yesterday candle is a bullish reversal pattern, then we should consider going bullish on gold. That's my take. So let's go down to 4-hour. Okay, so you can see the pattern we had on 4-hour yesterday. Okay, after the close of yesterday candle, it's a bullish reversal pattern. Yeah, it's a bullish reversal pattern. This looks like an hammer. Okay, this is an hammer. This is a bullish reversal pattern. Okay, but I wouldn't advise you jump in and start buying gold from the current market price. As you can see, price has already moved. If we go down to 1 hour, okay, this could have been our entry on 1 hour. You can see here we had what looks like a spinning bottom, not a valid spinning bottom, please. But you can see that the next candle that closed strongly bullish, and it closed above the high of this bearish candle, which looks like an engulfing candle. So we had a bullish reversal pattern on 1 hour time frame, and this would have been the best price to buy. Okay, this would have been the best price to buy gold. And you can see what happened. Price came back. You can see after it went up, it pulled back, came back to this level. This would have been another entry, a good entry for gold. So where am I considering selling gold today? I want gold to pull back to a discount level before going bullish. Okay, I want gold to pull back to a discount level before going bullish. So I would apply my Fibonacci from this swing low to this swing high. Okay, I could start to work with this, but I want to work with this. Okay, this is the most recent swing low and swing high. So you can see if we work with the most recent swing low and swing high, price is at what? Is at premium. Is at premium. So I want to see price pull back to a discount, which will be below level 50. At least it should pull back to equilibrium. That is where I would consider buying gold. Now we are on 1 hour time frame. If we go to 15 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, I'm sure we'll be able to identify a fair value gap at a discount level. We should be able to identify a fair value gap at a discount level, and that is where I would be considering buying gold. So let's go down to 15 minutes. So on 15 minutes, you can see on 15 minutes, we have a fair value gap here. You can see this fair value gap on 15 minutes. Can you see this fair value gap? Yeah. So this is where I will be considering buying gold. Okay. This is where I will be considering buying gold. So my bias for gold today is bullish. I'm looking for opportunity to buy gold. I hope that is clear on gold. Any question on gold before I move to the next pair? Let me know if you have any question on gold. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? If you have any question on gold, let me know before we move to the next pair. If you're here to like this stream, please do. If you're here to like the stream, please do. I don't have to be repeating this every time I come online. You should know what to do. Please like the stream so that others can get to see this video. If you're getting value, only like the stream if you are getting value. I believe you are getting value. Okay, so we are done with gold. Okay, someone said we should look at GBP JPY. Mr. AZ is GBP JPY, right? GBP JPY. Okay, let's look at GBP JPY. Okay, so GBP JPY is bearish at the moment. Okay, let's start with the daily time frame. GBP JPY is bearish at the moment. Yesterday candle closed strongly as AMA. Okay, it's closed as an AMA. Okay, so I think the current bearish move we are seeing is a pullback. Okay, pullback to a fair value gap that was created after the formation of this AMA. So let's go down to 4-hour time frame. Let's go to 4-hour. Okay, so this is what we had on 4-hour. So I want to see GJ pull back to a discount level. This is the most recent swing high. Okay, and at the discount level, we should be able to identify a fair value gap. Okay, GJ is bearish at the moment. It is bearish at the moment. Best entry would have been after the close of this hanging man. You can see what we have here. This is an hanging man, and this would have been the best price to sell GBP JPY. Okay, for me, entering at the current market price is late. Okay, so let's go down to 1 hour. Let's see if we can identify a fair value gap at a discount level. Okay, do we have a fair value gap discount? Let's go down to 15 minutes. Let's see, 15 minutes. Okay. On 15 minutes, where do we have a fair value gap on 15 minutes? I think we have a very small fair value gap at this point. We have a fair value gap here, this tiny fair value gap. So this is where I'll be considering buying. Okay, this fair value gap, this tiny fair value gap. This is where I would be considering buying GBP JPY. I want to see price pull back to this area, and I think it's at a discount, right? Yeah, there's a tiny fair value gap here. So this is where I'll be considering buying GBP JPY. Okay, this is where I'll be considering buying GBP JPY. Now it all depends on the candlestick pattern that forms at this area. I wouldn't just jump in because price has hit this level. No, a bullish reversal pattern must form at this area before I go bullish on GBP JPY. I hope that is clear. So that's my take on GBP JPY. Okay, it is bearish at the moment. It is bearish at the moment. We'll wait for a good buy setup before we go bullish. It is bearish at the moment. I hope that is clear, Mr. I think it was Mr. AZ that requested that we analyze on GBP JPY. I hope that is clear, Mr. AZ. I hope that is clear. Some of you are yet to like the stream. Is it that you can't find the button? Is it that you can't find the button? Some of you are yet to like the stream. If there's any pair you want me to analyze, please drop it in the comment section. Okay, let's look at GU. Okay, my bias for GU this week still remains bullish. As you can see, I have a trade on GU, which is currently on negative. Okay, my bias on GU is bullish, though I have a trade that is currently on negative. Okay, so let's start with the daily. I think yesterday candle close looks like a doji. Okay, okay, so as you can see, it is likely price they want to fill this fair value gap. Okay, it is likely this fair value gap would be filled. Okay, that is what is playing out at the moment. It is likely the fair value gap will be filled. Okay, so if the fair value gap gets filled, what they're actually doing right now is going for SL. They are going for stop losses residing at this previous low. That is what they are aiming for. They want to clear liquidity residing at this previous low. So after liquidity has been cleared and this fair value gap gets filled, you wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form before you buy. That's my take on GBP USD for today's market. Okay, if after liquidity has been cleared, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form. Okay, wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form before going bullish. It is likely they might hit my SL. It is likely. It is likely. So if they achieve that, I would wait for a bullish reversal pattern to form before going bullish again on GBP USD. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Or if a candle closes above 1.2739, 1.2739, let's assume they don't fill this gap. Let's just assume this gap does not get filled and a candle closes above 1.2739, you could consider going bullish from that level. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. So my bias for GU today and this week still remains bullish. It still remains what? Bullish. I hope that is clear. Today is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. I want to check the calendar. Okay, there are no major news for dollar. We only have major news from will be released from Australia and also New Zealand. New Zealand is by 11:45 p.m. Australia was released 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. Cash rates, monetary policy statement, and rate statement was released 5:30 a.m. Nigerian time. Okay, so the only major news we are expecting is for New Zealand employment change and unemployment rate 11:45 p.m. Okay, so that's it for GU. Any question on GU before I move to the next pair? Any question on GU before I move to the next pair? I believe you guys can hear me. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Which other pair do you want me to analyze? Let me know. Let me know. Can you hear me? I want to see your comments. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Which other pair do you want me to analyze? Let's see. EA. My bias for EA this week still remains bearish. My bias for EA is bearish this week. So yesterday candle, as you can see, it closed as a shooting star, a bullish shooting star. And after the formation of a bullish shooting star, you are expected to wait for the next candle to close bearish before you sell. Okay, you wait for the next candle to close. So if you're just focused on the daily time frame, if the only time frame you use for analysis is daily, you have to wait for today's candle to close bearish before you go bearish on Euro Aussie. Okay, but let's see what pattern formed on 4-hour time frame after the close of yesterday candle. What pattern do we have? Let's go to 4-hour. So you can see on 4-hour we had a bearish reversal pattern. This is a valid bearish reversal pattern. This is a spinning top. This is a spinning top, and the next candle that closed after the bullish spinning top is a bearish candle. So this is a bearish reversal pattern, right? It is a bearish reversal pattern. So best entry price would have been this level. So you could wait for price to pull back to this level, but this is what I would do. Let's go to 1 hour. What do we have on 1 hour? Okay, so I want price to pull back to, as you can see, we have a fair value gap. This, you can see this fair value gap. So I want to see price pull back to fill this fair value gap before selling EA. I want price to pull back before selling EA. Major Euro Aussie and GBP Aussie are positively correlated. If we go see the GA chart, I'm sure the pattern we have on GA will be similar to what we have on Euro Aussie. Okay, so there wouldn't be need for me to analyze GA. Okay, go to GA chart, you would see that the pattern we have on EA is similar to what we have on what you would see on GA. Okay, so on EA, wait for price to pull back. Okay, wait for price to pull back to this area. This is where I'll be considering selling Euro Aussie. Okay, this is where I'll be considering selling Euro Aussie. And like I told you guys yesterday, I'll be aiming for at least 200 pips on Euro Aussie, and it could last for days. Depends on how volatile the market is. Okay, you guys should understand that when it comes to the market hitting your take profit, you don't have control over that. Okay, you don't have control over that. Your responsibility as a trader is to analyze the market, define the risk. Okay, define the risk, and also know the potential profit you would make on that trade. Once you've executed the trade, you just have to let the trade run. You don't know when the market will hit your TP. A trade that you think will last for just one day might last for 3 days, might last for 1 week, depending on how volatile the market is. For example, if you are aiming for 100 pips or you are aiming for 150 pips, most times the market won't give you 150 pips in a day. It might take 2-3 days, 4 days, or a week before it hits 150, unless the major news is released. Okay, unless the major news is released. We've seen pairs do 150 pips in a day when the major news is released, so it's possible. Okay, but you should just focus on analyzing the market the right way and executing the trade, setting your stop loss and your take profit, and just let the trade run. That is what you should focus on. Okay, I hope that is clear on Euro Aussie. Which other pair do you want us to analyze? Which other pair? Which other pair? Which other pair do you want me to analyze? Let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. Which other pair? Okay, let's see Euro USD. Euro USD is bearish at the moment. Let's start with the daily time frame. Okay, so as you can see, Euro Aussie yesterday candle closed as, looks like AI shooting star, bullish shooting star. Okay, after clearing liquidity at this previous highs, cleared liquidity at this high. Okay, let me see the weekly. Okay, so it's cleared liquidity at this previous highs. You can see the several highs. Cleared liquidity at this previous highs, as you can see. Okay, you can see liquidity has been cleared. Okay, so let's see what we have on the daily. Okay, so if today candle closes bearish, we should expect more bearish move on Euro USD. Okay, more bearish move on Euro USD. Okay, so after the close of yesterday candle, what pattern do we have on 4-hour? Bearish reversal pattern confirmed on 4-hour after the close of yesterday candle. So one would have entered sell. Okay, from this point, the support was created at this point. That support has been broken. So right now, Euro USD is bearish, and they are likely coming down here to fill this fair value gap that was created. They're likely coming down. We have a fair value gap here, and we have a fair value gap here, and this zone you see here, this area is a demand area. This is a demand area, so this is where you should be considering buying Euro USD. Euro USD is bearish at the moment. Euro USD is bearish at the moment, but I can't take this trade right now because the risk is too high. Okay, the risk is too high. The market is currently trading at 0.913. My stop loss will be at this high. That's 1.100. That's about close to 190 pips. Yeah, close to 190 pips. That risk is too high. If I want to sell Euro USD today, I want to see price pullback. Let's see what we have on 15 minutes. Okay. So I want to see price pullback to a premium. So I'm going to work with this swing low, swing high. Okay. I want to see price pullback to, this is where the shift in market structure occurred. Okay. This swing low, this is where the shift in market structure occurred. So I want to see price pull back to a premium level before going bearish on Euro USD. Okay, I want to see price pull back to a premium level before going bearish on Euro USD. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. I hope that is clear. Any question? Any question? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? If there are no questions, I would have to end the stream. Any question? Any question? Any question? If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Drop it in the comment section. If you want to know how I analyze the market, the tools that I use in analyzing the markets, I have a detailed video for that. Okay, I have a detailed course for that. You'll learn how to identify resistance and support. You'll learn how to identify the candlestick patterns, how to trade with the candlestick patterns. You would learn what liquidity is, how to trade with liquidity concepts. You would learn how to use the Fibonacci tool. Okay, as you can see, I've been using the Fibonacci tool during this session. So a lot you would learn, and most importantly, risk and money management, having a trading plan, how to develop a very good trading plan. Okay, you learn about market correlation, a lot, and you would have access to the Zoom classes, which holds at least 3 times a day, 3 times in a week. Okay, so you have access to that. If you're interested, you can just send me a message on WhatsApp. Send me a message on WhatsApp. Any question? Any question? I hope you gotten value. You got value from this stream. Any question? Do you have any question? Any question? Any question? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Is there any other pair you want me to analyze? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. No questions. Okay. No questions. If this is your first time participating in the live stream, please do subscribe to the channel so that anytime I come on live, you get notified by YouTube. And if you're yet to like the stream, please do that right now. I really appreciate you all for your consistency. I really appreciate you guys. And my greatest desire is that you become consistently profitable. That's my greatest desire. That is why I show up every day. I want you to be consistently profitable so that your dreams of attaining financial independence, your dream of becoming financially free becomes a reality. That is why I keep showing up every day. Financial freedom is possible with Forex trading. You just have to be consistent. You just have to keep learning. The learning never ends. You have to keep learning. You have to keep learning. Never be discouraged. Keep learning. Keep learning. Keep learning. Your aha moment is very close. Your aha moment is very close. So don't give up, irrespective of the challenges. I know some of you are going through a lot of challenges right now. It's a phase. Okay? It's a phase. It's a phase that will soon be over. you're very close to the finish line. Okay, you're very close to the finish line. So don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. Don't give up. All right. Thank you very much. Do enjoy the rest of the day. If you have any question, I believe you're on the WhatsApp group. Drop your questions on the WhatsApp group. It will be attended to. Bye for now.